to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung Edge panel not working. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings on your device, you can head over to search and then search for Edge panels in the search bar. Make sure that Edge panels are enabled on the display. If it is enabled and it's still not working, then what you can do is simply toggle it off and toggle it back on. Make sure that easy mode is also toggled off inside your device. What you must also do is check fix gesture conflicts. If you had used the Google Lock app or One Hand Operation Plus, it may conflict with the Edge panel swipes on the home screen. The other thing that you can simply do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, and then restart your device. You must also update your device to the latest version. For that, head back over to your settings on your device, scroll down, tap on software update, and make sure that the latest version is installed on your device. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.